They were talking about cell therapy on the news yesterday. Is that really a thing?
In cell therapy, instead of changing how existing cells work inside the body, it introduces new or modified cells. Often, doctors first collect cells from the patient, commonly from their blood. These cells are taken to a laboratory, where they're treated or edited outside the body. In some therapies, tools like CRISPR are used to correct or improve how the cells function. The updated cells are then grown and checked to make sure they're ready. Finally, the cells are returned to the patient. These added cells may replace cells that are missing, support cells that aren't working well, or help restore certain body functions. Some cell therapies use stem cells, which can become specific cell types under the right conditions.
So the goal is to help the body function better, not to rebuild everything, right?
Exactly.
Research keeps moving forward. Different therapies for different needs, all bringing us closer to accessible treatment.